citrulline and citrulline malate, which is citrulline with malic acid, um, which helps it become more stable inside the human body, is one of the most used nitric oxide boosters today. In bodybuilding supplements, it's usually found in pre-workouts, and what it does is to increase the blood flow to muscles. Uh, that process is called vasodilation, and nitric oxide is actually the mediator of that. It relaxes the smooth muscle lining of blood vessels, which allows them to widen and allow more blood through, which provides more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. Now, the main compound or the main amino acid that's been used in the past for this is L-arginine. And while arginine is still the most important amino acid inside the body to produce this effect, you actually shouldn't supplement with arginine to produce it, because arginine is broken down very quickly and doesn't make it, when you consume it as a supplement, not much of it will make it to the blood. There'll be a brief spike of arginine levels and you'll get a tiny pump effect, but it won't last very long and it won't be very, very big. So what citrulline does is citrulline actually gets converted to arginine, but it makes it to the kidneys before it gets broken down. So in the kidneys it's converted to arginine, and then arginine makes it to the blood and can therefore be a more sustainable, provide a more sustainable muscle pump as a result. What citrulline is often seen as is a fatigue fighter as well, because it appears to reduce the effects of fatigue brought on by exercise. It probably has a lot to do with the fact that the muscles themselves are getting fed more as you mechanically work them out under load. But there it is. It's called it's known as a fatigue fighting vasodilator muscle pump ingredient, and when it's combined with malic acid to make citrulline malate, it provides more stability to the compound within the human body. And malic acid is even being investigated for its ability to prevent or reduce fatigue during exercise. So it's potentially a sort of compound synergistic effect there with the two of them together. At the moment, citrulline is used in the kind of 6 gram to 8 gram mark. If you use a citrulline malate, you can go all the way up to 10 grams in your pre-workout supplement. I've seen it at way less than this, and it's pretty much useless below, I'd say 3 or 4 grams is probably minimum amount of citrulline malate that you should have in your pre-workout, and even then I'd like to see it combined with another vasodilator or muscle pump agent. There are no dangerous side effects at these dosages, so nothing has been found to cause any problems. One of the things you need to look out for are arginine supplements. There's still a plenty. There's still a lot of L-arginine in pre-workouts these days, because there's still old science saying that it's the principal vasodilator with it, or nitric oxide booster within the body, which it is, but supplementing it orally doesn't actually increase arginine levels as much as citrulline does in the blood, which sounds weird and counterintuitive, but it's true. The other thing to look out for on the market is agmatine. I've done a video about agmatine as well, and an article about agmatine, so check that out. It's possibly going to either be neck and neck, as in the top choice for muscle pump agents with citrulline, or it's going to even overtake citrulline, and one of the reasons will be because of its other benefits. Plus, agmatine can be dosed almost, if not 10 times lower than citrulline, so there's a lot more room in your pre-workout for other ingredients, or a lot more profit margin for the companies. All in all though, as far as scientific proof is concerned and empirical data and all such things, citrulline is still the top dog for muscle pumps at the moment. So make sure you get about 6, 8, even 10 grams of citrulline malate in your pre-workout and get swole.